Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13% as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Img fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 136,718 src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? PNG alt equals is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13% as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? Width equals 2,560. Height equals 1,582 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? PNG 2,560. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? 300x185. PNG 300 W. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? 1,924,633. PNG 1,924 W. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? 768,475. PNG 768 W. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? 1,536,949. PNG 1,536 W. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,090,010 Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13 as surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? 2,048 1,266. PNG 2048 with sizes equals max width 2506 100 W 2506 / The Blur price has dropped by 13% in the past 24 hours, with the utility token falling to 521,286 cents as investors take profits following its Binance listing on Friday. Despite the drop, Blur remains up by 53% in a week and by 134% in the last 30 days as the altcoin, the native token of NFT platform Blur, attempts to return to its all-time high of $5. It recorded this price back in February, very soon after Blur released the governance and community token, yet has struggled to regain the same momentum. However, there are newer tokens which look set to recreate its strong opening, with new stake-to-mine platform Bitcoin Minetrix holding an increasingly successful presale. Is Blur going to zero? Blur price dips 13%. Blur indicators have suffered a little after its dip today, suggesting that a bigger correction may be needed before the altcoin can return to growth. Its RSI purple has dropped from an overbought 80 a few days ago to 60 today, and its direction suggests that it could sink further soon enough. On the other hand, its 30-day average yellow continues to climb higher above its 200-day blue, something which indicates that the coin is still in the middle of an upcycle, even if it's dipping today. Its 24-hour trading volume would support this view, in that it stands at around $200 million, representing a 400% increase from where it was at the end of October. Indeed, it seems that whales and other large traders have taken a fancy to Blur, with a number of recent transactions showing that many are still accumulating the token. Matcha Big Brother, Eth, is buying Blur again. He has spent $415 ETH $856K to buy one. 54M Blur at 56 cents again in the past 40 mins, and has bought a total of two. 84M Blur $1, 56M at 55 cents in the past 4 days. https://t.co/0lm.xpic Twitter com/ebnvrhoj6 Lookinchain at Lookinchain November 27, 2023. As such, Blur could continue to rise again in the next few weeks, even if it's taking a hit at the moment. It's likely to retain much of the momentum from its Binance listing, which saw it rise by as much as 20% in a few hours on Friday. And while Blur does actually remain down by 89% compared to its ATH, its native platform continues to hold a promising position within the NFT market. DappRadar continues to rank it as the biggest NFT marketplace in the entire sector in terms of trading volumes, leading its rivals in the past day, week, and month. Blur x $Dix probably two of the cycle's biggest winners. Blur, biggest NFT marketplace, highest volume NFT lender. New altcoin coming with NFT perpetual futures. Dix, dominant position on decentralized derivatives with their own chain, updated coin list and fee sharing soon. Moon Overlord November 25, 2023. For this reason, a new bull market could see the Blur price rising much higher, especially if the NFT market picks up considerably along with it. It could reach 60 cents in the next few weeks and then 70 cents by the first few weeks of 2024. Surprising new Bitcoin mining project goes viral. How does it work? While Blur has been recovering some of its lost value over the past few days, it may struggle to recapture the bullishness it had back in February, meaning that traders pursuing above-average gains may have to look elsewhere for now. Fortunately, there are a variety of promising new altcoins in the market right now, with several presale tokens having the potential to rally big once they list. At the top of this list is Bitcoin Minetrix BTC-MTX, an ERC20 cryptocurrency that has raised well in excess of $4 million in its increasingly popular token offering. At Hive Digital Tech expands its global mining footprint with a new data center in Sweden, committed to green energy practices and boosting hash Bitcoin production. Bitcoin Minetrix has also reached another phenomenal milestone, raising over $4,400,000. Pick Twitter.com/ICDLQN7Qua. Bitcoin Minetrix at Bitcoin Minetrix November 27, 2023. What makes Bitcoin Minetrix appealing to investors is that it offers something fairly rare within the crypto sector, a stake-to-mine platform. This means that its users can participate in Bitcoin mining by staking its native token, BTC-MTX. Such staking provides them with tokenized mining credits, which they can then use to effectively pay miners to mine Bitcoin BTC on their behalf. Accordingly, staking enough BTC-MTX can, therefore, earn users newly mined BTC on top of new BTC-MTX. Just as importantly, Bitcoin Minetrix offers a streamlined and simple user interface, meaning that pretty much any cryptocurrency holder at any level could use it to earn BTC. Exploring $BTC mining with Bitcoin Minetrix. Cloud mining unlocks the realm of crypto. Easy entry for beginners. Cost effective, no hardware expenses, space, noise, and heat worries disappear. Smooth, hassle-free upgrades. Pick Twitter.com/Gigi4MePZDI. Bitcoin Minetrix at Bitcoin Minetrix November 26, 2023. This helps to explain why its presale has already done so well, with new buyers able to join in by visiting the Bitcoin Minetrix official website. One BTC-MTX costs 1,180 cents, but this price is set to rise in under 5 days, while it could also rise much higher once it lists on exchanges towards the end of the year. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. IMG equals https://simg.co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.